This tutorial will walk you through how to create a cute Easter egg placemat for a touch of fun Easter decor. The pattern is made so it can use smaller fabric scraps that you have left over from other sewing projects. Start by sewing the pieces of the egg together for both sides of the placemat. Cut off any tabs that stick out from the side of the placemat. Next, you want to cut out the interfacing using the sewn fabric Easter egg as a guide. Apply the interfacing to one side of the Easter egg placemat. Then you want to sew the front and the back of the placemat together with wrong sides together and sew all the way around the perimeter of the two egg pieces with the interfacing sandwiched between them. Then you want to add the double fold bias tape to the outside of the egg. This will cover up the raw edges of the egg and secure everything in place. You're finished. You have a cute Easter egg placemat to decorate your table with.